Hey cryptocurrency market, it's Denny Lovejoy, your favorite blockchain tutorial Jedi Master, and in this video I'm going to show you how to receive Bitcoin Cash using your bitcoin.com wallet. So let's jump right into it. The first step here is to copy and paste your address, and you're going to have to access your bitcoin.com wallet. So if you don't have that already, go ahead and check out my previous videos on how to do that. But I'm going to pull up my bitcoin.com wallet right here for you. And it looks like this. If you recall from my last video, I sent a test transaction and then the full amount afterwards. And what we're going to do now is click personal wallet right here. And what we're going to do is click the receive button. And all you have to do really to receive is just copy and paste this address right here. And for this wallet, once I click it, as you can see right here, it copied to the clipboard. So that's all I had to do for that, is just copy and paste the address using the bitcoin.com wallet. So the second step here is to send the public address to the account sending you Bitcoin Cash. You do want to send that address via email. And when you do send the email, just ask them for a small test transaction first, around $5 or $6. And that's all you have to do on your side. Because again, in this video, you're just receiving. So you're expecting the other person to send it to you. So the next steps here is for me to send the Bitcoin Cash to the bitcoin.com wallet. So what I'm gonna do now is go back to my Exodus account. If you do not have an Exodus yet, go check out my previous videos on how to do that. But what I'm gonna do here is go to my wallet here, and I actually already have Bitcoin Cash in my wallet. I exchanged it using Bitcoin in the other video. So I do have Bitcoin Cash on me right now. What I'm gonna do is actually click send, and I'm gonna copy and paste that address that I had earlier, which came from, again, the bitcoin.com wallet, which is this address right here. And I could verify that by looking at the last 5 digits here, and it says UZ0LQ, and here it says the same thing, UZ0LQ. So that's good. What I'm gonna do is send that test transaction now, and I'll choose $5. And I'll go ahead and click send. It says, are you sure? I'll say yes, send. So great, it received the $5 that I sent. And if I go back to home right here, and if I click on personal wallet, it says that it's still receiving. So this may take some time. What we're gonna do now is move on to step number 3, which is verify the pending transaction on the Block Explorer. So I'll show you how I do that. I'm gonna go to Google for this one. And what I'm gonna do is go to bitcoincash.blockexplorer.com, and it'll take me to one of the main Bitcoin Cash block explorers. And as you can see, it is a secure website right here. It does have a green padlock, and it is a HTTPS website. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna click on this transaction here. I'm gonna click on this address right here. It's gonna give us the ability to search the address. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy and paste that same address and click enter. And let me try again. So I'll click this, which copies it, and then I'm gonna paste that here, and then click enter. And it shows up as one transaction. If you read this, it says one transaction is pending right now and unconfirmed. So we're gonna go ahead and wait for that. So you could go ahead and pause the video now and then continue playing the video once you receive it, so that you could continue following along with me in the video if you wish. Okay, great. It looks like it just received right now, a few seconds ago. What we can do here is refresh this Block Explorer. You'll see the number of transactions here and the final balance and the total received. So it did send. So that's great. let's move on to step number 4 here, which is to receive the BCH. So we can confirm that. We just have to check our wallet to see that we received it, and it looks great here, so that's good. The last step here is to receive the rest of the Bitcoin Cash to your Bitcoin.com wallet, and you just have to confirm to the sender that you received the test transaction. So you do want to email them, let them know that you received the $5 or $6, and once you do, they'll send you the rest. So I'll go ahead and show you how that looks like right now. I'll go ahead and go back to my Bitcoin.com wallet. I'll click on personal wallet here, click receive, and then I'll click this address right here. And then I'll go back to my Exodus account here, and I'll just go ahead and click send under Bitcoin Cash and wallet. I'll paste that address right here, and then I'll click all. You'll see that the network fee is 1 cent, and I'll click send, and it's saying, are you sure you want to send the $99? I'll say yes, send. And as you can see, virtually instantly it receives into the Bitcoin.com wallet. So that's great. If I click on home on Bitcoin.com, you'll see that my personal wallet now has $104 here, and it's saying that it's receiving right here. So that's great. In this video, I'm not gonna wait for the rest of it to confirm, because it's saying that it's already in my wallet. It just has to process. So that does conclude this video. In this video, I just wanted to show you how to receive Bitcoin Cash using your Bitcoin.com wallet. In this video, I'm not showing you how to protect or update the wallet. If you like watching blockchain tutorials like this, get the cryptocurrency investing blueprint. You could learn more at cryptocurrency.market/blueprint, and you could get 10% off using my promo code DENNY2018. Go ahead and check the display address right here on the screen, or check out the links below. You could also follow our team on Twitter. My social handle is Denny Lovejoy. And thank you so much for watching this blockchain tutorial on how to receive Bitcoin Cash using your Bitcoin.com wallet. If you have any comments or suggestions for future videos, send them to me on Twitter. Thanks again, have a terrific day, and I'll see you on the next blockchain tutorial.